Start recording.
Door spaces too. However, you've been eliminated by the right for you.
Start recording.
Sunday as well, after some of the rates. Windy too. Traffic-wise, Westlink is...
Yeah, no, sure. It's spring, look. Come on! Oh, come on. Just so keep it out.
To you and matters to us. That's why all AXA car insurance policies include accident forgiveness.
Find M1 bathrooms and PVC panels just behind Asda. Kennedy Way Industrial.
Hey.
Stream U105.
They're going.
Left on M61.
That figure. Both Israel has talked of fierce fighting during what it described as a complex mission. The hostages released were 3 men and a woman taken on October 7th. Earlier appealing for witnesses after a pedestrian was killed when he was
Counteract a lot of the myth that's flying around there, Mary, because I know from having this conversation with you, people will, at the end of it, send me texts and emails about what refugees get, what asylum seekers.
Continue 0.9 miles, then turn left on Laurel Hill Road.
Hey! Hey! Come on! No. That was a BYD thing. As far as I've seen one of those. Oh, come on!
Give better end-of-life care to all, whatever the illness, by including a gift in your will to Marie Curie. Get your free will guide today. Search Marie Curie will. £10 per month discount on a 30-gig tariff over 36 months. Ends 11th of December. Credit by telephone.
Hey! Come on! Come on!
Exit onto N51 Plain Road.
One way straight.
SMS text to this number may be charged by your service provider at your standard
Oh, come on.
Mum's asked if we can stop off at BP and get some...
Not the entire picture in itself. However, these are all little steps that can be taken. I mean, I have
Switch to rear-facing recording. Switch to front-facing recording. Start.
all little steps that can be taken. I mean, I have
Switch to rear-facing recording. Switch to front-facing recording. Start recording emergency